Hey guys, today I'm talking about 3 best fertilizer from your kitchen waste that instantly boost your plant and look more healthier. Hi, I am Ananya and you are watching My Planet. So what is fertilizer that generally boost your plant and you can say that enhance the natural fertility of the soil? Imagine our body that require enough food, water, air and supplement like that plant needs too, and fertilizer works that way. So talking about types of fertilizer, there are two types generally, that is chemical and organic. We generally prefer organic here because you can use chemical also, but in long term they will harm your soil. So, organics are generally come from your agriculture waste and kitchen waste or sewage and sludge. Number 1, liquid of tea leaves. So, you just use your leftover or freshly brewed tea leaves that not only hydrate but also nourish your plant, and this water contains nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium and tannic acid. So here nitrogen promote leafy growth as well as potassium is important. And talking about tannic acid, that help to lower the pH, basically soil pH, by increasing the acidity. Now how to use tea leaves? Just take one bowl of hot water and take 1 or 2 teaspoons of tea leaves. Just mix it well and let it cool down. You just use the water by straining or use directly. I use here directly. Number 2, liquid from dry banana peels. So banana is a very common fruit and its peel can be used for our plant for a vital nutrient, that is potassium. So dried banana peel water are organic source of nutrient and that basically help for plant growth, which is potassium content, because low potassium causes browning, scorching and curling of leaves. Now how to use? Just peel off and let them dry in sun for almost 2 days and take just a glass of water. Then cut the dried banana peels into small pieces and add them to the water. Just mix it very well and keep it aside for one night. After one night, strain the water and this is the result. Use this water directly to the plant and you will see the result instantly. Number 3, liquid from rice water. So rice water is our daily kitchen waste and that can make your plant evergreen because it contains starch, fiber, amino acid, iron, potassium and so many that help to ferment and growth process of many pre-existing bacteria that already present in soil. The cloudy suspensions of the water that help to decompose the soil and very nutritious in nature. So main component of the rice water is starch that help to promote the bacteria that names lactobacilli, and this bacteria helps growth of good fungi. Now how to use? Just take one handful and one bowl of rice and soak them in water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just separate the rice from the water and the water is ready. That's easy way. So these kitchen waste provide economically and as well as environmental friendly way of supplying organic fertilizer instead of chemicals. Use them alternatively in regular basis and you will notice the result. So that's all about today. Thanks for watching. Keep growing plant, keep our earth green and be happy. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.